Hi boys and girls. So today we're doing topic 11-1, modeling fractions, modeling addition of fractions, okay? So we learned about equivalent fractions, we learned about decomposing fractions, and we learned about comparing fractions. Today we're gonna add them. So Kyle and Julian are working on a sports banner. They painted 3 out of 8 of the banner green and 4 out of 8 purple. How much of the banner have they painted so far? Okay, so 3 out of 8 is green. So if I decompose this fraction, it's just going to look like this. I have 1 out of 8 plus 1 out of 8 plus 1 out of 8, okay? And this will go to this, okay? And let me color it green because this is green. Okay, so, and remember, if I count these, 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives you 3, and you just slide your denominator, the 8, and we have 3/8 here, okay? So 3/8 is green, and then 4/8 is purple, okay? So if I decompose 4 over 8, it would just be 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8, okay? And put that in a box. And I don't have the color purple, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm just gonna leave it like that, okay? So, and remember, if I add all these ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, I get 4, and I just slide my 8, and I have 4/8 here, okay? I'm just showing you a model, so it makes more sense. So they want us, if we look, it says, how much of the banner have they painted so far? So they painted it green, they painted it purple. How much have they painted it so far? So we're gonna add, because we're looking for the total. How much have they painted already? Okay, so I'm gonna add these two fractions. Okay, and I'm gonna do it here. So if I use my models, okay, if I use my models, when you're adding fractions, you are going to keep the denominator. The 8, the denominator will stay the same. So I'm just gonna slide it over here, and it's gonna be an 8, and I'm gonna put my fraction bar. Now, if I add my ones, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means 7 will go on top, okay? This is my model to help me out. Now I'm gonna do it with my actual fractions, okay? Remember, you keep the denominator 8. So I'm just gonna slide the 8 over here, put the fraction bar. If I add 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 goes on top, okay? They are the same. Okay, I'm just doing the model just so you can have a clear visual of what this looks like, okay? My answer is 7/8.